I just installed this Midea room air conditioner. It's designed to be a window air conditioner, but I installed it through the wall of my shop. It's an 8,000 BTU per hour unit, and I just want to do a little review. It has all the controls on the front panel that you would expect, but it also comes with this remote. So I'm going to turn it on. I want you to be able to hear how loud it is. This is the sound on low. Here's the sound on medium. And then here's the sound on high. So gives you some idea. The connect button right here you use when you're setting up the Wi-Fi mode for the air conditioner. Okay, so there's a couple of features I wanted to describe on here. This timer is really nice because you can set an on time and off time or both. And so it's really flexible about having it come on when you want and go off when you want. This sleep mode is where you have it at a set temperature. When you push sleep mode after 30 seconds, after 30 minutes, it will set the temperature up 2 degrees, and 30 minutes later it sets it 2 degrees more. And then after 8 hours, it goes back to its set temperature. So it raises it a little bit so you don't get too cold when you sleep. And then these modes, you have the auto, the cool. Dry is like a dehumidifying mode, and then straight fan. So the fan, you got a low, medium, and high. Eco mode is kind of nice because these room air conditioners, they run all the time. So even when they reach their set temperature, they continue to run the fan. And I don't really like that. I'd rather have it turn off like a regular home air conditioner and then come back on when the temperature warms up. But in eco mode, what it does is the fan only runs 2 minutes out of every 10 minutes. So when it reaches its set temperature, it goes into this mode. So it does turn off the fan for 8 minutes out of 10, which I think is really nice. And then this little filter light will come on after every 250 hours of use to remind you to clean the filter. So it's got quite a few features and seems like a good unit. One other feature of this, it has a button called LED. Watch what happens when I push LED. It turns off all the lights on the front panel. So if you're trying to sleep in your room and you don't want those to show up, then you push it again and they come back on. It's kind of a neat feature. So this is the app that you can download to use with this. You can see it shows, I've got it all set up. I call this air conditioner Shop. You can turn it on. You see it comes on. And then when you open up Shop, it gives you this dial so I can set the temperature to whatever I want it to be. And you can see it changes. All those lights look like they're flashing, but they don't do that to your eyes. So you can change that. You can change all the settings for it. Fan speed, sleep, all that kind of thing from anywhere you are. And then you can turn it off. So it's app controlled, which is pretty cool. Okay, I just wanted to run through the app that controls this air conditioner so you can see. Once you've created an account, logged in, this is what it looks like. So it gives you your local temperature. You can click on this. You can see the air conditioner's off. To turn it on, push this button here. That shows you what it's set to. And you can see this is for cooling. This is for dehumidifying. Call it dry. This is fan only. You can adjust the fan speed and so on. This one is just setting it to auto. This is what's kind of cool though. The schedules, you come up here, push plus. So you can set this schedule, and then you can set it to repeat on days, weeks, and customize your whole week so that it will come on and off when you want it to. You can see it for the settings. It gives you can control what setting, what temperature, fan speed, and everything for each time that it comes on. And then you can create a label for it, and you can have different schedules set for different things you want. So that's a pretty good feature on it. I'm just going to show you what's on this menu. So you can do your favorite setting, what temperature you want, the schedules, sleep curves, and things. It even has this thing, function description, so it shows you what each of these modes are, what they mean. And then you can share this device, so if you want others to be able to control it. So the app is pretty nice, and it's very easy to control. Like I've got it on now. I can turn this down, set the temperature whatever I want it to be. One thing that's nice, you'll notice up here, it's showing the current temperature inside is 67 degrees. So it's showing you your set temperature, but also the temperature that the room is in. So it seems like a pretty good app for controlling this air conditioner. And of course with Wi-Fi you can do it from anywhere. So overall I'm pleased with it. It seems to work really well. And it's a great feature to have for a room air conditioner.